all on one card. With the BMW Digital Key Setup card, you can set up the BMW Digital Key for your iPhone, link your vehicle with your BMW ID, and activate your profile in your BMW, all in one simple process. The setup card comes with many new BMW models together with the BMW Digital Key. Hold the card to the NFC antenna of your iPhone and tap on the message to get directly to the welcome screen in the My BMW app. Otherwise, install the app and create a BMW ID or login. Alternatively, you can scan the QR code on the back of the setup card to get started. When prompted, hold the setup card to the iPhone again to authorize as the vehicle owner. Press Continue to link your vehicle with your BMW ID. Once the automatic vehicle connection is done, you can directly set up your BMW Digital Key. Now a timeout starts to enter your car, carrying the physical key and your iPhone with you. In the My BMW app, confirm and select Finalize Setup. The BMW Digital Key is stored securely in the wallet of your iPhone. You'll get a notification on the device as well as in the car. You can also directly add your digital key to your Apple Watch. Finally, press Change BMW ID to have your BMW ID with your personal settings activated in your vehicle and linked to your digital key. Done! Setup complete. Store the setup card somewhere safe outside the vehicle. Your BMW is now also linked to the My BMW app, which offers remote controls and even more functions in proximity of the vehicle. You can now enter and start your BMW with your iPhone and Apple Watch, even without taking out your device. And by unlocking with the digital key, your personal BMW ID settings are automatically activated. Check out our other how-to videos about sharing the BMW Digital Key Plus and setting up the BMW Digital Key Plus for Android.
I'm sure you know a lot about your BMW, but there's so much more. So hit the subscribe button, comment, like, share, and tap the notification bell to discover the full potential of your BMW. What are you waiting for?